Greece offers a diverse range of attractions, from rugged snowy mountains and ancient landmarks to picturesque beaches with turquoise waters. It is a country that caters to every traveler's desires. Besides the enchanting Greek islands, Greece's historical sites hold immense appeal. As the birthplace of democracy and the cradle of Western civilization, Greece's rich history complements its breathtaking landscapes, delectable cuisine, and warm hospitality, making it a top-notch destination. Not only is Greece affordable to visit, but it also stands out as a food lover's paradise. Before delving into the video, we kindly request you to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of travel enthusiasts. Now let's embark on a journey through our complete Greece travel guide video. Number 1. Santorini, an exquisite gem in the Aegean Sea, stands as one of Greece's most renowned and cherished destinations. Its breathtaking beauty lures in thousands of visitors each year, leaving them captivated by its unparalleled allure. This island boasts some of the most picturesque views among all the Greek islands, making it a must-see to truly grasp its magnificence. Immerse yourself in the inviting turquoise waters, wander through charming villages, and indulge in delectable dining experiences at fine restaurants. Santorini guarantees an unforgettable experience that will touch your heart. For me, it remains a cherished favorite among all the places I've visited in Greece. Santorini's appeal extends to couples as well, offering a romantic setting with its volcanic beaches, whitewashed houses, and mesmerizing sunsets. A visit to this idyllic island wouldn't be complete without embarking on a catamaran sail, complete with lunch and an open bar, creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime. 2. Napolio, shaped by the influences of diverse cultures over the centuries, now stands as a favored destination for the affluent and famous, earning its place as the playground of the privileged from Athens. The historical imprints of the Ottomans, Byzantines, Venetians, and others have all contributed to the captivating allure of this charming coastal town, where citadels and fortresses grace the hillsides. Once the proud capital of Greece, Napolio remains a town with a warm and patriotic spirit, a fact gladly shared by the locals. While history plays a significant role, Napolio also boasts excellent restaurants and relaxing beaches, offering visitors a chance to unwind and enjoy themselves. Wander through the town's narrow, winding streets, admiring the remarkable architecture. Along the esplanade, relish in the finest seafood dishes while million-dollar yachts gently sway in the nearby harbor. Exuding an undeniable romantic ambience, Napolio emerges as one of Greece's most enchanting towns, making it an ideal destination for both couples and families seeking an unforgettable experience. 3. Corfu, an island situated in the Ionian Sea off the northwest coast of Greece, is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, rugged mountains, and stunning beaches, making it a highly sought-after destination. Corfu stands as one of the top choices for travelers seeking Greek experiences, often ranking among the top 10 destinations when people search for places to visit in Greece. For those who prefer a more tranquil escape away from the crowds, fear not. Corfu offers secluded beaches that gracefully line its meandering coastline. With numerous beaches to choose from, it's effortless to discover your own idyllic piece of paradise. Beyond the white sandy beaches, the island features picturesque towns and villages like Parithia and Corfu Old Town, where traces of Venetian architecture and ancient anti-pirate castles can be found, harking back to a bygone era. 4. Nasus. Just a short car or bus journey away from the Cretan capital, Heraklion, you'll find the Minoan ruins of Nasus. These ancient remains from the Bronze Age once served as the grand abode of the powerful Minoan civilization, which held sway over the region more than 5,000 years ago. Nasus ruins are unparalleled in their preservation, making them the finest examples of Bronze Age relics in all of Greece, an awe-inspiring sight that should not be missed. Exploring this site ranks among the top things to do while in Crete. Within the ruins, you'll encounter charming mosaics and exquisite pottery, as well as the Hall of Kings, a place steeped in the legend of the Minotaur and the labyrinth. A visit to Nasus is an absolute must when traveling to the island of Crete. As Greece boasts a rich history, Nasus offers a captivating glimpse into the distant past. Proudly standing as one of the finest destinations in Greece, Nasus promises an unforgettable experience for any visitor. 5. Zakinthos, a captivating island in the Mediterranean, is renowned for its vibrant nightlife and breathtaking beauty. With its turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and impressive chalk-white cliffs, Zakinthos stands as one of the most stunning spots in the Greek islands. For beach enthusiasts, Zakinthos ranks among the top destinations in Greece, offering an impressive selection of 27 beaches to explore. A must-see is the renowned Napolio beach, also known as Shipwreck Cove, which can be best enjoyed on a private tour before the crowds arrive. Shipwreck Cove itself is one of Greece's most photographed locations, making Zakinthos an irresistible destination for travelers. While the island's coastline attracts numerous visitors, its inland center remains relatively unexplored. Here, the island's charm is enhanced by lush fir trees and olive groves. Undoubtedly, Zakinthos is among the best places to visit in Greece, offering a perfect combination of vibrant nightlife and idyllic beauty. With a wide array of activities to enjoy, boredom is simply out of the question on this enchanting island. 6. Athens. Athens stands out as one of the few cities worldwide steeped in such profound historical significance. As the birthplace of democracy and a pioneer of Western civilization, it holds a timeless allure that spans across the ages. A visit to this vibrant city is a must, and it arguably ranks as the top destination to explore in Greece as a whole. Athens immerses visitors in Greek culture and treats them to awe-inspiring sights like the iconic Parthenon and the majestic Temple of Zeus. Don't miss the chance to tour the Acropolis and Parthenon for an unforgettable experience. Among the city's charming districts is the Plaka, nestled just below the Acropolis. Here you can savor people-watching, indulge in shopping, and relish delicious meals. The cobblestone streets are lined with quaint handicraft shops and delightful restaurants. Athens remains resilient against the passage of time, adding to the list of incredible places to discover in Greece. When exploring Athens, you'll find an abundance of authentic and delectable food options to savor. This city ranks among the best places in Greece for culinary delights. 7. Rhodes, an island positioned off the southwestern coast of Turkey, stands as one of the most frequented Greek islands, attracting a diverse range of visitors, from backpackers to the rich and famous. This teardrop-shaped gem in the Aegean has something to offer for everyone. With its pristine beaches, charming towns, and ancient historical sites, Rhodes boasts some of the finest swimming spots in Greece. Rhodes' Old Town, the island's capital, once housed the impressive Colossus of Rhodes, one of the wonders of the ancient world. The combination of such historical treasures, breathtaking landscapes, exciting nightlife, and inviting swimming spots makes Rhodes an ideal destination to explore with friends, and it rightfully holds a place among the best places to visit in Greece. Rhodes caters to all preferences, whether you seek vibrant nightlife in Faliraki or wish to luxuriate in the comfort of one of its numerous five-star hotels. This island has it all, embracing the perfect fusion of paradise and history that Greece is renowned for. 8. Meteora. Meteora stands out as one of the most extraordinary destinations not only in Greece, but also in all of Europe. Nestled in the heart of northern Greece, Meteora boasts some of the world's most remarkable Orthodox churches. Dating back to the 14th and 16th centuries, Meteora is a landscape where stone formations stretch towards the heavens, with Orthodox monasteries delicately perched atop their peaks. It is a land where inhabitants seem to live in the sky, and their devotion to God reflects the passion of a bygone era. Meteora is an awe-inspiring place that you simply cannot afford to miss. Its breathtaking beauty and spiritual ambience create an experience that will remain etched in your memory. What makes Meteora truly exceptional is its dual status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has been recognized for both its artistic and natural significance, a rare distinction among UNESCO sites. 9. Delphi, a haven for history enthusiasts, continues to hold its significance as the religious hub of the ancient world to this day. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, these ancient ruins once served as a revered site where people, including kings, flocked to seek the wisdom of the oracle. The Oracle of Delphi has left an indelible mark on Greek history, with the priestess of Apollo's prophecies resonating throughout the ages. Among the captivating remnants, the Temple of Apollo stands tall, serving as a prominent highlight of Delphi. Alongside this grand temple, visitors can explore other fascinating structures like the Athena Prene, an ancient theater, and a stadium. As you wander through the ruins, you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time, immersing yourself in the grandeur of ancient Delphi. Without a doubt, Delphi ranks among the finest destinations to explore in Greece, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of its historical past. 10. Olympia, renowned as the birthplace of the Olympic Games, holds a prominent place in Greek history and offers a captivating destination to explore. Situated in the revered Valley of the Gods, visitors can still witness the ancient stadium and training grounds once utilized by the Olympians. In its heyday, Olympia would have ranked among the top cities to visit in Greece. Besides the stadium and training grounds, the UNESCO-accredited Olympia features exceptionally well-preserved monuments and temples, paying homage to the revered ancient gods like Zeus and Hera. Nestled in the rugged hills of the Peloponnese, the Valley of the Gods exudes an awe-inspiring ambience. Beyond Olympia itself, the valley offers incredible opportunities for hiking and mountain biking, with the nearby Alphos River Valley adding to the allure. This collective blend of history, natural beauty, and recreational activities makes Olympia and the Valley of the Gods a must-visit destination in Greece. 11. Skiathos. Skiathos is renowned for harboring some of the most stunning beaches across Greece, making it a must-visit destination for beach lovers and party-goers alike. In recent years, this island in the Aegean has gained popularity among travelers, attracting them with its pristine beaches and vibrant nightlife. With its crystal-clear waters and stretches of white sandy shores, it's no wonder why Skiathos has become a favorite among visitors. Despite the increased tourism, the island has managed to preserve its natural beauty, boasting over 60 breathtaking beaches and picturesque hiking trails that wind through lush pine forests, offering a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Skiathos town complements the island's allure, catering to tourists with a delightful array of amenities. The town's charming restaurants spill out onto the streets, providing the perfect ambience to savor a relaxing evening, watching the sun set gently into the Mediterranean. 12. Halkidiki. Located just south of Thessaloniki, the Halkidiki Peninsula remains Greece's well-kept secret, offering a delightful blend of modern luxury and tradition. This peninsula boasts some of northern Greece's finest sandy beaches, providing an idyllic setting for relaxation and enjoyment. Divided into 3 distinct fingers that extend into the Aegean, Halkidiki presents a diverse landscape to explore. The Sithonia headland boasts golden sandy beaches, while Cassandra offers luxurious resorts and charming restaurants. Lastly, Athos is shrouded in mystery, housing Stoic monastic communities and embodying traditional Greek culture to the core. The combination of these 3 headlands creates a perfect and serene retreat. Currently, Halkidiki remains relatively uncrowded, but the secret is bound to spread in due time. It is best to visit this enchanting destination soon before its hidden beauty becomes widely known. 13. Mycenae, a city steeped in ancient myths and legends, holds a prominent place in Greek history. The towering walls of Mycenae were so formidable that the ancient Greeks attributed their creation to the Cyclops, adding to the city's mystique. Mycenae's origins date back to a time preceding Greece, and it is prominently featured in tales like the Fall of Troy. with its legendary ruler being none other than the mighty King Agamemnon himself. Distinguishing historical fact from myth at Mycenae can be challenging due to the city's peak power being over 3,500 years ago. Remarkably, Mycenae remains off the beaten tourist path, offering visitors a chance to explore a part of the country that few get to see. Mycenae undeniably ranks among Greece's most remarkable archaeological sites, leaving visitors in awe of the ancient engineering prowess. The amalgamation of culture, stunning scenery, and rich history creates an unforgettable experience, making Mycenae an absolute must-visit destination in the country. 14. Chios. Chios may be a bit off the beaten path, but it is truly a hidden gem that deserves more recognition. During our recent visit to Greece, Nick and I had the pleasure of exploring this charming little island, and we were enchanted by its outer. Secluded medieval villages, breathtaking beaches, distinctive lodging choices, and delightful dining establishments contribute to making Chios one of Greece's finest destinations to experience. Moreover, Chios has a long and significant history, with notable historical sites such as the medieval castle of Chios, the Mycenae monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and ancient ruins scattered throughout the island. The island also boasts a diverse culinary scene, offering delicious traditional Greek dishes and local specialties. Chios is particularly famous for its unique cuisine, which incorporates mastic in various recipes. For nature lovers, Chios offers ample opportunities for outdoor activities, such as hiking, exploring its natural landscapes, and enjoying breathtaking views from its high vantage points.